In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Alibaba promo code. This guide will help you navigate the online landscape to maximize your savings when shopping on Alibaba. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the site, these steps will assist you in finding those valuable promo codes. First things first, you'll want to search online for verified Alibaba promo codes. Websites like Retail Me Not are great places to start. These sites compile a wide variety of discount codes from numerous online retailers, including Alibaba, making them a valuable resource. Simply navigate to your browser and type in Retail Me Not or any other similar site to begin your search. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search bar, usually at the top of the page. After landing on the website, the next step is to click on the search bar. This is where you'll enter the name of the retailer, in this case Alibaba. Type in Alibaba and hit enter to search for any available promo codes. These sites are regularly updated, ensuring that the codes they provide are as current as possible. Upon hitting the search button, you should be presented with a variety of coupon options. Take your time to browse through the list. Make sure to read the details of each promo code, as some may have specific conditions or minimum purchase requirements. Certain codes might offer a percentage discount, while others could provide free shipping or fixed monetary deductions. Choose a promo code that best suits your planned purchases. In addition to these daily promotions, it's also important to be aware of Alibaba's large sales events that occur each year. They often provide exclusive promo codes during these times, enhancing your potential savings. Two of the most notable events are the 11.11 Global Shopping Festival held on November 11th and the Black Friday through Cyber Monday sale occurring in late November. Mark these dates on your calendar and be ready to take advantage of the special deals and promo codes available during these periods. Remember, the key to successful savings is patience and a little bit of research. Always double check the validity of a code before applying it to your purchase, and keep an eye out for those big annual sales events. By following these steps, you can shop with confidence and keep your costs down while enjoying the vast selection that Alibaba has to offer. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!